Hi, Tweetie here. We have links down in the description and plenty of playlists for you to check out. This one is about skills. You probably won't be able to learn everything you need to know for the next disaster or before it strikes. So, if the power is out and the internet is down, you won't be able to Google whatever you need to know. And if you don't have enough books around or pamphlets or accumulated information, you're in a world of hurt. So we suggest that you Google it now and print out the information in the articles and put them in a 3-ring binder, or go online and find free download books that you can get and put those into a 3-ring binder. But even better yet, go to thrift stores, secondhand stores, people's garages when they're having those silly garage sales, or go to like Goodwill or Salvation Army and look for books that are on the skills that you need. How to repair this or that around the house, how to build a garden, how to do a dozen different things. You will be glad you have them, and when everything is dark, at least you will have the knowledge at hand. If this tip has helped you, give us a thumbs up. If you want more tips, of course, we're asking you to subscribe. Thanks for dropping by. Angels all around.